Hello, today I will show you how to make next 3 rounds of the Blooming Joy blanket. So let's start. Round 47. 4 round chain 1. This chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch. Single crochet in same stitch. So in same half double crochet to which we join. And now we need to make single crochet in next 88 stitches, so all along here, and the last one will be in this half double crochet. So in all we need to make single crochet in all half double crochet, in 9 single crochet, and in next 3 half double crochet. So the last 88th single crochet will fall in this stitch just before first double crochet. Okay, let's do it. So I will do all this single crochet and will join you. Okay, my last single crochet, so 88th falls in third half double crochet after this 9 single crochet, and it looks like this. Okay, now corner part. Half double crochet in next 3. 1, 2, 3. Double crochet in next 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and next stitches are with 3 3 treble crochet made in the same stitch. So in next stitch, treble crochet, in next stitch, the second of this 3 treble crochet, 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 more treble crochet in same stitch. Like this, and this chain 3 space is our corner. Now treble crochet in next stitch, and now double crochet in next 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and half double crochet in next 3. 1, 2, 3, and third one falls in last double crochet of this 10 double crochet of previous round. And next stitch is half double crochet, and we need single crochet in next 25 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and fifth one falls in half double crochet made in single crochet, which is third one. So this is our last stitch of our repeat. But as you can see, so this is your repeat for this round. But as you can see, we need our same repeat starts with 88 single crochet. So we have here 25 single crochet, and we need to do 88 single crochet, and the last one will be in this half double crochet, last half double crochet before first double crochet. So basically, once you work around, after you are free, you have double crochet, you can go and make your single crochet all along until your single crochet will be made in last half double crochet of this side before first double crochet. So really easy repeat, some counting at the corners is needed, but it is really easy. Repeat it 3 more times, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round, and this is last single crochets. Okay, and now I need to join to my first single crochet with a slip stitch. Okay, round 47 is done. Corner part looks like this, and we have single crochet all along the side. Okay, so let's do round 48. Chain 1. This chain 1 doesn't count as any stitch. Single crochet in same stitch, and single crochet in all stitches of the side until your corner chain 3 space. So the last single crochet falls in last treble crochet. So I will do all these single crochet stitches and will join you. Okay, so I have single crochet in my last stitch of the side in treble crochet just before chain 3 space, and this is 105 single crochet if you want to count. Okay, and now corner, in corner chain 3 space we need to do 2 single crochet, 1 2, chain 2, and 2 more single crochet like this. And now single crochet in next 42 stitches, and your 42nd stitch will fall in this stitch. And here we have 3 single crochet, and in third is made half double crochet, and in this single crochet. But basically you need to single crochet in all stitches of the side. So if your stitch count for the previous round was correct, you don't have to count, just single crochet in all stitches of the side, don't miss any. And in corner in corner chain 3 space you need to do 2 single crochet, chain 2, and 2 single crochet. Okay, so this is round 48, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. So I am at the end of my round, last single crochet, and now I need to join 2 standing single crochet, the first single crochet with a slip stitch, and round 48 is done. And let's do round 49. chain one. This chain one doesn't count as any stitch. Single crochet in same stitch and single crochet in all stitches until the corner chain two space. So 107 single crochet you need to do, and the last one will fall in this single crochet just before chain two space. So I will do this and will meet you at the corner. Okay, my 107 single crochet are done, and the last one is in single crochet just before corner chain two space. And in this corner chain two space we need to do single crochet, chain two, and one more single crochet like this. And now single crochet in next 44 stitches, but in fact we need to do single crochet in all stitches of the side until next corner chain two space. So this is round 49. So continue, work around, and I will meet you at the end of this round to show how to finish it. Okay, I am at the end of my round, last single crochet, and now I need to join to first single crochet with a slip stitch, chain one, and cut yarn, because next round will be in different color. And our round 49 is done, and now we have square. And that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.